Hey, hello friends. Hi, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about integer constant. What is the use of integer constant in C programming language? So let's see integer constant. In previous session, I have already explained you constant using hash define macros and const keyword. In this session, I will explain you what is integer constant. So first, let know the type of constant. Constant defined in two ways, primary constant and secondary constant. In primary constant, integer constant, real or floating point constant, character constant, string constant. Secondary constant, in that array, structure, pointer, union, enum, etc. Array, structure, pointer, union, enum, etc. This topic I will explain you individually in my upcoming tutorials. So now let's see primary constant. In primary constant, integer constant. Integer constant. Integer number 0 to 9 means an integer constant is an integer value. Does it contain of a sequence of digits from the set of 0 through 9. No decimal point means here in integer constant are whole number which have no decimal point. We cannot use decimal point in our integer constant. Third, if the constant contains 0 or 2 or more digits, not 0, there are 2 or more digits, the first digit should not be 0. If you are considering 2 or more digits, the first digit should not be 0 in integer constant. There are some rules we are follow in our integer constant. First, an integer constant must have at least one digit. It can be either positive or negative. If no sign precede an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. No comma or blank space are allowed within an integer constant. It cannot contain any special character. So now let's see different type of integer constant in our C programming. So here types of integer constant. First, decimal integer constant base 10, octal integer constant base 8, hexa decimal integer constant base 16. In decimal integer constant base 10 means 0 to 9 number is allowed. Octal integer constant base 8 means 0 to 7, 0 through 7. Third, hexadecimal integer constant base 16 means 0 to 9, small a to f and capital A to f. Here A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 14 up to 0 to 15. 16 values considered. A is for 10, B is for 11, C is for 12, D is for 13, E is for 14 and F is for 15. 0 to 15 means 16 base. So now let's see first decimal integer constant. So now let's see decimal integer constant. Some valid decimal integer constant are 0, 1, 70, plus 234, minus 3455, 23456. Now some invalid decimal integer constant are 2.3. Decimal point cannot be allowed. Point are not allowed in our decimal integer constant. 4 hash 56. Special symbol cannot be allowed. Here hash is a special symbol. Special symbol is not allowed in our decimal integer constant. 2 3 space 4 6. No blank space allowed. Here is a blank space. Blank space is not allowed in our decimal integer constant. 0 to 3. First digit cannot be 0. In specific our decimal integer constant, first digit 0 is not allowed. After that 2, 3, 4. Comma not allowed in our decimal integer constant. AB, not an integer number. If there is no integer number, is not allowed in our decimal integer constant. So now let's see second. So now octal integer constant, in that first digit must be 0 in order to identify the constant. We have seen that decimal integer constant, 0 is not allowed. For decimal cannot be 0, but in octal integer constant first digit must be 0 in order to identify the constant. An integer constant can consist of any combination of digits taken from the set of 0 through 9. 0 through 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. Therefore, base is 7. We have seen that in type of integer constant, octal integer constant base is 8, that is 0 to 7. Now, some valid octal integer constant 0, 0, 1, 0, 7, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some invalid octal integer constant, invalid, 0, 2, 3 does not begin with 0. I have already told you that in octal integer constant, first digit must be 0 in order to identify the constant. So here 0 is not written, that's why it does not begin with 0, that's why it's invalid statement. Invalid, therefore it's invalid constant. Second, 0, 5, 6, 8, 7. 8. 8 is not a valid number in octal integer constant, because I have already told you in octal integer constant 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is allowed because base is 8. So here 8 is not considered in octal integer constant. Therefore, it's a illegal digit. After that 23.45 dot decimal point is not allowed in our octal integer constant. So these are octal integer constant. Now let's see third last hexadecimal integer constant. So here in hexadecimal constant, a hexadecimal integer constant consist of a combination of digits taken from the set of 0 through 9 and A through F, either uppercase or lowercase. Meaning hexadecimal numbers are 0 to 9, small a to F and capital A to F. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Small a to F or capital A to F 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the base. Therefore, base is 16. And begin with either small ox or capital Ox. There are some valid hexadecimal integer constant 0x, OX1, OX70, OX23, ABC, OXABCD, OXABCDF. Some invalid hexadecimal integer constant, in that OX 23, 45, comma not allowed in our hexadecimal integer constant. Therefore, it's invalid. After that, 5, 6, 8, 7 does not begin with small ox or capital Ox. Therefore, this number is not valid. It's a invalid. After that, OX, DFG. In legal character, G. G is not allowed because in hexadecimal, we consider only A to F, small a to f and capital A to f. That's why 0xDFG, G is not allowed. It's invalid because it's in legal character. So these are the type of integer constant. First is decimal integer constant, second is octal integer constant, and third is hexadecimal integer constant. So in my upcoming tutorial, next tutorial, I will explain you floating point integer. So if you have any queries or question, please written below in a comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, click on like button. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys.